This is going to lead to us needing to train people differently. You know, those of us that came up through the ranks doing those first drafts and doing those rote tasks, they weren't meaningless. They may have been boring, but they did teach you a lot. And a lot of how I, as a CMO, have taught my teams is to have them do a first draft and then work through together what needs to change. So that team member can still produce a first draft using generative AI, but they're not going to have the same level of ownership and engagement with that text as if they wrote it. So that doesn't make it a bad thing, but it does make it a different thing. And I think we're going to have to be very intentional about whether it's associates or it's marketing folks or it's business leaders, how we are making sure that people are getting that training, that feedback, that access to a space where they can experiment and get feedback from more experienced leaders. And we need to do that in a way that's mindful of the different ways our brains interact when we're just getting something spit out to us versus writing it from scratch.